If you've ever used ChatGPT and thought to yourself, why does this sound like a robot? Well, it's not because of the tool, it's the way that you're using it. And in this video, I'm going to give you my 3-step prompt technique that I use every single time to get consistent results. So that way AI sounds like me, my brand, and the church that I work for. Let's jump straight into the video.
So let's start with the first one. Who? You need to tell ChatGPT, whatever LLM you're using, who it is. Matt, what do you mean by telling them who it is? Well, what I mean is give it parameters to know what or who it is as a person or as a piece of equipment so it can create the best outcome for you. So if you're coming at this as a communications director and you need a post that is the most effective for Facebook, you could say something to the extent of, you are a social media expert with over 25 years of experience. Now you've given it some guardrails. It understands who it is. It understands the job that it's going to perform because it knows it is a communications director with over 25 years of experience. Now we need to ask what we want. So what is it that you want? Be as detailed as you can be. So instead of just saying a post for our Sunday morning services, tell it, I need a post for our church services. Our church name is X. We have church services at 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock, and we are starting a brand new sermon series called Blank. You are more than invited to come to our church services. We want you here because we believe life is better in community than it is with being on our own. When you tell it what you're creating, now it understands what its job is, what you're wanting it to create, and then you have to give it some framework of how you want it. So what is the how? The how is just how you want this copy generated. So you could either say, just create for me one post that I can use, or you could say, give it to me in 5 different variations, going to 5 different target markets. You could say, I want it in a canvas. A canvas is an editable document in ChatGPT. It'll put it in there, and then you can just download it as a Word document or something like that. So if you follow these 3 steps in every single prompt that you make, the who it is, what you want it to do, and how you want it to give you the information in the end, your prompts and your resources that you get from ChatGPT, from Gemini, from Perplexity will be 10 times, 100 times better than if you just said, create for me a Sunday morning post. So I'm actually going to show you this in real time.
Hey, hold up for just 1 second. If you are wanting access to the full toolkit that goes along with this training, all you have to do is go down to the description below, click that link. It's absolutely free. It comes with my free ebook, workbook pages, posters, all of the above, things that will help you implement AI into your ministry today. This toolkit is exactly what you need to get started, to start seeing results within the next 24 hours. So if you want access to that toolkit, just go to the description below, click that link, and it will be there for you absolutely free. Now let's jump back into the training.
And let's type in that exact prompt. So here's my exact prompt. You're a social media director with over 25 years of experience. I need you to create an engaging Facebook post for outsiders of our church to be invited on Sunday morning. I need the post to include our church's name, First Church, our service times, 9 and 11 a.m., and the new sermon series from our pastor, The Hope of the World. Give it to me with 5 different variations and see how much more detailed this post or this response is going to be from ChatGPT. So here's version number 1, and I'll just read this one off to you real fast. Are you looking for a fresh start, a community to belong to, or a place to bring your family on Sunday? We'd love to welcome you to First Church this weekend. We have services at 9 and 11 a.m., and our pastor is beginning a brand new sermon series called The Hope of the World. Come experience worship, encouragement, and friendly faces. There's a place for you here. So that's the warm invitation. Let's scroll down to maybe the hope-focused version. Hope is something we all need, especially right now. This Sunday at First Church, Pastor Stephen is launching a brand new series titled The Hope of the World. Join us at 9 or 11 a.m. for worship, community, and a message of hope that can carry you into this week. you belong here. So just as simple as that, creating some parameters for ChatGPT, you get a more robust social media copy. And then you can take that, put it into your Facebook Meta Manager and schedule it out. Get maybe a picture from church on Sunday or even a graphic of your sermon series that's coming up. And you've got instantly social media posts that only took you, that probably only took me 15 minutes. Instead of sitting behind a screen and wondering to yourself, gosh, what am I going to post again this weekend? Allow ChatGPT to be the tool that you need today, especially if you're doing this on your own. Understand that the who, what, how framework should be included into every single post that you have with ChatGPT to get the best results possible. Use this tool to your advantage.
This who, what, how framework is just a small part of a bigger communication strategy that I use every single week. And if you're wanting to see how AI, video creation, and managing graphics requests all work into a same ecosystem, you can follow this video right here to get the full masterclass training. And if you feel like that this content was something that you enjoy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend, because we weren't meant to do this alone. We were meant to redeem our time so we can get back to doing what's really important, being with people. I'll see you guys at the next video.